Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The topic that we are going to cover in this video is persistent diarrhea from Parvez Akbar. So, in pediatrics, acute watery diarrhea with dehydration, this presenting pain is very common. So, if a patient presents to you with a history of diarrhea that is like about from 14 days ago, more than 14 days, lasting more than 14 days. So any acute episode that lasts more than 14 days, it's basically because of obviously infection, and it is termed as persistent diarrhea. It is estimated that 5 to 15% of episodes of acute diarrhea they last longer, and the mortality rate is obviously high because of dehydration. So what is the etiology? Obviously there are infectious causes. In infectious causes there are bacteria like E. coli, Shigella, Salmonella, Campylobacter jejuni. Mostly all of them cause bloody diarrhea. Protozoa like Giardia lamblia, Giardia lamblia, it causes watery diarrhea. Along with that, it causes malabsorption of the fat-soluble vitamins. It causes steatorrhea. Entomoeba histolytica also causes bloody diarrhea. Fungi like Cryptosporidium, they also cause persistent diarrhea. There are some host factors now, like repeated episodes of diarrhea and improper acute episodes of diarrhea. If the proper there is not the child is not provided with proper treatment, तो फिर डायरिया तो उसे होगा ही होगा. Malnourished child, या the child has lactose intolerance secondary to acute episode. So these are the host factors that lead to persistence in the diarrhea, and the diarrhea won't leave the child. How would you investigate stool for culture examination, pH, reducing substances, like if there is a suspicion of lactose intolerance. So reduce lactose from the diet, in fact minus lactose from the diet. Do a complete blood count and electrolyte levels, serum electrolytes like sodium, potassium. How would you manage to dehydrate the child? May balance the electrolyte and fluids. Nutritional rehabilitation, continue breastfeeding, small frequent meals of high nutrient value, provide khichdi, yogurt, soya based formula in special instances, or vitamin A, B12, zinc, folate, iron को add किया जाए. In case there is infectious disease, so add antibiotics too. So this is all about persistent diarrhea.